Guys, did you know that you could get $0 items off the Temu app? I just got my package. Let's see what I got for $0. I got a cluster lash kit. Let's see how the lashes look. So it comes with a bunch of cluster lashes. It's a full kit, so it comes with everything. It has the bond and the seal. It comes with the applicator and the spoolie. You're getting all of this for $0. Let's see what else I got. I got a set of makeup brushes. There are 13 brushes in this set. There's ranges from different eye brushes and face brushes. I'm so excited for this because I definitely needed to re-up my brushes. I got some sunglasses. As a sunglasses junkie myself, I had to choose this. Let's see how it looks on me. Good girl, ready for summer. And last but not least, what's in order without getting something for my daughter? So I got this soft play book, and it was all for free. $0 on the Temu app. If you guys also want $0 items from Temu, type in my code in the Temu app, and you'll get $0 items on qualifying orders. Enjoy!